how to make and create restaurant logo on Canva PC in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to canva.com, log into your account, and now click on create a design here in the top and search for logo in the search bar. Click on the first option and now it will take you here. Go here and scroll down until you find a restaurant logo option, and here is it. Click on see all. Now choose a template. For example, you have many options and they look so professional. For example, this one you can add, for example, your name. It's so professional. After you finish, click here and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.